Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is how to install LaTeX application. Alright, there are two ways you can use LaTeX. You can use LaTeX online and you can also use it offline. Now, if you want to use it online, you don't need to do much. The only thing you need to do is to have an account in Overleaf and you start using it. But if you want to use it offline, it means that you're going to install two things in your computer system. Number one is you're going to install a distribution. In this case, we are going to install Mixtex. It has different versions right now. After installing the distribution, the next thing you do is to install an editor. So in this case, there are several editors. So you just choose one that you are very convenient with. You can choose Text Studio, WinEdit, TextMaker, and so on and so forth. How do you install LaTeX distribution in your Windows computer system? Number one is, the first step there is to install. You have to go to Google, search for Mixtex. It has various versions, but you look for the latest version and you install it and follow the instruction, and that is all. If you're using Mac operating system, it means you have to search the internet and install the Mixtex distribution. While if you're using Linux, you're also going to search and install the TextLive distribution. Now, people may ask, among all the Text Studio, which one is the best? All of them works, all of them are good. It depends on how you are very familiar with any of them. In this case, we are going to look at Text Studio, TextMaker, and Overleaf. These three are the most common among all the text editors. This is a step-by-step guide on how to install LaTeX. You see, you go through Google, you type Mixtex download, and you're going to see a screen this way. Then you click on download Mixtex, and that is all. You see, in this case, it's saying that the size of the file is about 138 megabytes, which is okay, and the version here is version 24.1, okay, and 64 bits. So you have to be sure of what your system is running on. If your system is 32-bit, you cannot install this. So you have to look for the one that is compatible and you install it. Then after that, you also search for Text Studio and install Text Studio. This is the environment where you see download now, and you download. Also, the version for Text Studio that we have now is version 4.9.0. I think that should be the latest version right now. Now, after your installation, you have to verify that your installation is working. How do you verify that? You double click on the Text Studio icon, then it will open up for you. When it opens, you look for Quick Start, and you're going to find Quick Start in the wizard menu. Then you're going to see a display this way. Well, you don't need to do much. All these things are default settings, so you just click OK and you continue. Then you're going to see this environment. This is how Text Studio environment looks like. Very simple. Once you're here, you can save this file and you start working immediately. So whatever you work on here and you run, then you're going to see the second view where the result will be displayed. So this is a typical example Windows for Text Studio. Now, in case you're using Overleaf, this is how Overleaf looks like. Okay, like I said earlier, you have to go online, create an account with Overleaf, then you're good to go. Now, we are going to create our first file in LaTeX. You're going to follow these input commands, enter it properly. Then at the end of the day, we're going to see what we're going to have. Then you compile the file. Then PDF will appear. And once the PDF appears, it means that your installation is successful. And this completes the basic setup needed for LaTeX documentation preparation. Thank you very much.